Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix USB boot issues on Lenovo ThinkPad X1. Issues connected with that are mostly related to your drive being a USB 3.0. Even though this laptop supports USB 3.0 in the system, some of its models, the older models, this one that I have right here is from 2018, it doesn't support booting from USB 3.0 drive. So if you want to boot from that to, for example, install like a system off of it or run a live ISO, then you'll need to use the 2.0 drive. Otherwise, it just won't get detected in the boot menu, which you can enter with the F12 key once your laptop is shut down. If you turn it on again, and immediately after releasing the power button, you start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard, that'll make you go into the boot menu. And if it's USB 2.0 and it's already made bootable, then it should get detected. And if it's not USB 2.0 but 3.0, then there is a high chance it won't work. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.